What's up everybody, welcome back to my laboratory where safety is number one priority, and today we're going to put to the test 10 really cool gadgets I found on Amazon. Let's see what I got this time. We'll start with this very unique water bottle. This is called Crushmetic, and I put it to the test or showed it to you, this unique pencil. Well, now they have made a bottle. Check this out. If you flip it open, look how satisfying that is. Wow. And now you can drink of it, you can close it, and now it is a regular mug, and inside of it is one of those like to-go mugs, somewhat like whatever you call it, like a Stanley mug, supposed to keep the ice in there long. But yeah, if I do it quickly, boom, just like crushes the can almost. That is so satisfying. Lock it, and I go one more time slow. I will go to the next gadget. Look at that. Open it. That is so cool, especially on the light. Very cool. Also, the grip actually good. It is satisfying and it is more grippy when it's folded up. I got it here, see-through pencil sharpener. Pretty vintage one. So I have right here old pencil. Let's push it in, and just don't push it too hard in the beginning. And once it's going to flatten out, and it's gonna get easier and easier, and till it stops shaving, you will know. Let's see. And now you see it's getting easier. Now it's to the end. That means it's already fully peeled. Look how good that looks. Next, I got it here, the weirdest can opener. Check this out. Looks like a scissors, but look at this cutter. So it lines up perfectly and just cuts it. Cuts it every time. It is not the fastest, but the most unique for sure. Power outage, no problem, no need electricity. It is quite, I don't know what to say, like, it's giving me a little bit anxiety because it cuts it so slow and a little bit at the time, but I thought it was so funny. Scissors, can opener. It's one of a kind. I look for can openers all the time. I never seen one like that. Almost all the way through. And there you go. Lift up. Whew, my arm is tired. One more vintage can opener. Jeffy can top remover. So the way I figured it out, it works. You slide this and the wheel will push into the can, and the only way to do it is this way, because it will be removing the top, and also you want to point it down a little bit. Okay, let's see which way. This way don't work as good, so we're going to go this way, pointing it down. It's cutting it. Oh yeah, that's hilarious. Actually cuts it so well. Boom. One way to open the can, right? Looks like I missed a piece. But yeah, there you go, and it's holding it. What do you think? Instead of cutting it inside of it, it cuts it on the side. I got it here, hot dog electrocutor, or hot dog cooker, whatever you wanna call it. So I'm gonna put in just a couple hot dogs. One, bend it over, two, same thing, next to each other, and it can cook 5 hot dogs in 60 seconds. And there's 2 plugs. Let's go. Alright, we just have to wait about 60 seconds, see what happens. Okay, it's starting to fog up, and I see some condensation on top of the box, and it's starting to sound like a plasma, electricity sparking. Oh yeah, right there. And sounds like it's almost done. Ooh, that sounds scary. That is insane. It is definitely cooking it. It is electrocuting it too. So I can pull it out. Oh wow, the steam coming out, and look how well they cooked. They definitely are cooked all the way. Wow, it's hot. Overcooked one of them. Woo! Ooh, smells like electricity. Like, I don't know if you ever smelled electricity fire. It smells a bit of that. Remember those hot dog holder? Remember the hot dog toaster? They still really popular and they still sell on Amazon. So you put your bun into here, then 2 hot dogs in here, and this is what it's going to look like. Check this out. It's a little Cajun. And then I'm gonna put it on 4 or 5. Cook it really well. Hey! Why is this hot dog bun doesn't work? There you go. We shoved it in. Okay, and we're going to see what's going to happen. It says caution hot. It came with one of these things. Okay, I think it's done. I'm gonna stop it. And let's see. Toasted bread. Ooh. Cooked hot dog. A bit overcooked it, so maybe don't have to cook it on 5 unless you really want it cooked. And I got right here 2 hot dogs out of the toaster. That's hilarious. I got it here, survival tool, and there's a burn for it. Beautiful. It is actually on Amazon. This is really cool. I found it at the blade show. So it is a little slingshot, and there's a button, and it's folding. Boom. You have right here magnetic balls, so they stay in there. Or there's another button somewhere right here. Boom. And that way we could use that just in case. Perfect. And then close that, flip that over. That's cool. Tubes right here. And when I'm done, just close this, close this. That is quite unique. Gotta figure this out, how to put it away back. But it's super nice for like maybe survival backpacks and things like that, or survival backpacks. That'd be cool. So that's cool. Maybe for survival backpacks, that's a pretty unique little gadget. I like it. I got it here, SOG Power Access Assist MT. This thing surprised me at the blade show, and that's why sometimes going to the store is so important, because you gotta grab it and feel it how it works, because it is super smooth. Look at that. I could flick it out. It is insane. Opening it a little bit easier than closing it. And another thing the salesman showed me, it has assist as well. Look at that flicker, and it has definitely some kind of tension right here. I don't think it's like a spring assist, but it's tensioned. And the lock is in the back, and on all four tensioned. Very cool. Also very important to know right here, if you want to open up all of the pieces, open one and then push on this button, it will release them all. Grab the one that you need, can open or whatever, close the rest. I love multi-tools. Also SOG has lifetime warranty on materials and the craftsmanship, so that's nice, just like Leatherman. I like them both. I like SOG, I like Leatherman, but I was pretty surprised how easy it was to open it. Look at that. It is so smooth. Amazing. Well guys, that's pretty much it. Let me know in comments below what do you think. Don't forget to thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't already.